Hi, I'm Tony. I'm the Technical Sales Manager at Safety Tools Ornament. We wish to show you our latest prototype, the safety heater, today. The name itself, safety heater, may confuse most people as heat is not looked at as safe. But after more than 5 years of development of our safety heater, will Safety Tools Ornament launch a safety heater in 2021 that is safe to use in EX gas zones. And the safety heater will be certified by the certified body DNV as cold work for use in ATEX gas zone 1 and 2. Over the years we have used to develop safety heater, we have made several prototypes, and we have now ended up with a prototype that we for the moment call the bucket. A small heat gun attached to the bucket with 5-meter length hose and cables. And this is how it works. The safety heater prototype is supplied with electrical power and compressed air, and it has 2 tasks to make the process safe to use in hazardous areas. It contains all electrical safety storage in a safe, pressurized environment inside the bucket, and it is a pressure storage tank. Electrical power is controlled by an air pressure switch that has 10 seconds delay before engaging the electrical power. When pressurizing, delay on the pressure switch allows air to flow through the system. At the same time, remove any possible ignitable gas that can be inside the system of the safety heater. When the 10 seconds is gone and electrical power starts, the heat source in the heat gun will heat up the air flowing through to a maximum of 200 degrees Celsius. Closing down external pressure makes the pressure switch to close the power to the heat gun. The pressure storage tank empties itself through the system and cools down the heat source in the heat gun. Now do your job and heat shrink, for example a shrink sock, safely in gas zone 1.